Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Ledger Live security and privacy checklist, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Ledger Live security and privacy checklist, start by downloading the Ledger Live application from the official Ledger website. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the application. Install Ledger Live on your device by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the Ledger Live application. Connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your device using a USB cable. Enter your PIN on your hardware wallet to unlock it. In Ledger Live, click on the Accounts tab located in the left sidebar. Select the account you want to manage. Navigate to the Settings section by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, review the security options available. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection on your Ledger Live account. Set up a secure recovery phrase if you haven't already done so. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe location. Check your device firmware version and update it if necessary. To ensure your privacy, go to the Settings tab and explore the privacy options. Consider using a VPN service for an added layer of security while using Ledger Live. Review the privacy policy to understand how your data is handled. Turn off any unnecessary data sharing options within the app. Regularly check for updates to Ledger Live to keep your application secure. Conduct regular security audits by reviewing account activity and transaction history. Consider enabling transaction notifications to stay informed about any changes. If you encounter any issues, consult the Ledger support resources for assistance. By following these steps, you will enhance the security and privacy of your Ledger Live account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.